welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Nine of Pentacles, followed by the King of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and then the additional word or phrase that I tuned in and just got for you is own your power. Own your power. So let's have a look. This is interesting. I want to go to this one first of all. The Nine of Pentacles. Now this is really successful, and it's some sort of progress and success and accomplishment and achievement, but in the physical material world. So something is going on where you're starting to see things in your world, in your environment, in your life, where you're like, yes, it's all been worth it. It's absolutely been worth it. I've been working hard, because this comes along when you have been putting some things in place deliberately. You have been working towards something. It could be a project, a goal, a dream, or a desire, but you've been working towards something and you are starting to get a sense of it now. You are looking around and thinking, yeah, this is really on the right track. Now with a nine, you may not be there completely yet. Nines are, you're getting there, but certainly with this energy, this is just like, yes, I'm seeing it now. I'm feeling it. I'm experiencing it. I can really get a sense of this is happening. It's a very successful energy. It might be that you, in the overall process, you might be achieving a certain step, a certain stage, in the overall journey that you're going on in terms of this project or this goal, this dream or desire, and you reach some sort of point where you can kind of celebrate and think, yeah, this is brilliant. Now I can wrap this bit up and move on to the next bit. But this has a lot of happiness and joy and contentment and abundance attached to it. So you do get the contentment as well, where you just feel in a good place. It's like, yeah, this is working. I know I'm getting some sense it's really going in the right direction. This, as I say, abundance as well. So there could be some good positive things around wealth and prosperity and possibilities. I want to say like there might even be some opportunities. I'm just thinking about the other cards, like the King of Wands, for example. So there could be some sort of opportunity coming in for some of you this week that helps you on this overall journey and this progress, your progress. It's very independent. This is the energy. I'm getting this more than anything this week, is that is so independent. I need to just pull these up together. They're asking me to do these two at the same time for a moment. Both of these energies have a strong thread of independence, of standing on your own 2 feet, going it alone, doing your own thing, standing in your own power. Actually, I don't know why I'm laughing. It always kind of comes together. Own your power. So there's a very strong thread about you being clear and certain and sure of yourself, your gifts, your talents, who you are, what you're here to achieve, and not wavering from that. That it feels like you need to be confident with who you are and what's going on. Just really stepping up. If you've held yourself back, that's the sense that I'm getting, is if you've played small, if you've hidden your talents and your gifts, if you've suppressed them in some way, if you're not playing full out, then this week is the week to you really stand up and own all of this. Own the whole of you. Own your light. Own your magnificence. Own your power. Own your energy. You know, the energy that is you. You feel like, it feels like you just really got to don't apologize. Do not sweep it under the carpet anymore. Do not hide it under the bush anymore. It just feels like just let the world know who you truly are. Own that power. So this is really independent. So let's carry on a little bit with the King of Wands here, the King of Rods. This could be you about just everything that we've said, because this is a very dynamic energy. They are very independent. They know their own mind. They're clear. They do not apologize. They're certain. They're focused. They are entrepreneurial. They are fantastic leaders, really good leaders, because they know who they are. They know their strengths. They know the bits that don't suit them. They know what's in their zone of genius, Have you come across that book at all? The Zone of Genius, where it talks about the different zones that we can live in. And it's called The Big Leap by Gay Hendricks. The zone of genius is where you are absolutely on your game. You are doing things that are in line with your heart and soul. You're doing things in a way that no one else can do them. So this is what the King of Wands is all about. It's about not just trying to do things good or well or in an excellent way. Don't be in your zone of excellence. This talks about zone of genius. What are you genius? Like no one else can do it. This is what this is about. And this it's very strong this week. Many of us live in our zone of competence and zone of excellence. Now, that can trap us, the zone, especially the zone of excellence, because we're excellent at whatever it is we're doing. But it's not your zone of genius. It's not your zone of genius. That is where the happiness, the joy, the complete abundance, the flow, that everything is. So that's what I feel like. Own your power. You need to be in your zone of genius. Now, this King of Wands, if it's not you, it could be someone else. And they could be coming along to help you, to guide you, to offer you an opportunity that's more in line with your zone of genius, or getting you closer to that than you've ever been before. And they will be, as I've described, they will be very good leaders, entrepreneurial, very business-minded, focused, dynamic, motivating, energetic, all of those things. So yeah, them coming along into your life and helping and supporting you. Whatever this is, there is definitely an opportunity this week. I feel it really strongly for many of you. And look, opportunities come in different ways and different guises. So yes, of course, it could be someone offering you a job or a promotion, or saying, look, here's an offer on a property that you're trying to sell, or some traditional way that we understand and know it. But there could be other opportunities, an opportunity to step up, an opportunity to take responsibility, an opportunity to be the leader, an opportunity to own your power and not shrivel back from it and turn away from it. But there is an opportunity to really hold firm in who you are this week. The Eight of Cups, yeah, it tells a little bit more of this story. This is interesting. I'm getting more as I'm holding up the cards. Now, very traditionally, this is you closing down a cycle and turning your back and saying goodbye and walking into a better future, a brighter day, a new time, a new part on your journey. But they're also giving me turning your back from your smallness, the bit, the limiting side of you, turning your back from things that you're good and excellent at, so that you can move into your genius, just picking up from the ideas from that book, The Big Leap. So yeah, I just think that definitely saying goodbye to that small side of you, that limited side of you, the ego part of you, the stuff that's rooted in the third dimension, and moving closer and closer to the truth of who you are, owning who you are, owning that power. But this saying goodbye is a good thing. Don't ever think that this isn't, because this energy allows you to step up. It allows you to go into a different place that you want, that you've been yearning for. Sometimes it's a bit scary, but ultimately you want to go there. So this is lovely, 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 lovely energy. Opportunity then this week to own it. Really, really own it. Do not, whatever that is, the expression of yourself. It could be anything, in how you wear your clothes, in how you talk, in what you do in your life. It just feels like there's a real opportunity here for you to show someone or some people, the world, what you're really made of. I hope it's a great week for you. Thank you so much for watching.